There's a reason why you're here, so let me deliver the message. Thank you for being here. If you enjoy these types of videos, if you like tarot, psychology, and ASMR, feel free to subscribe and or order a personalized reading from me from my website. Check out the description below. Let's see what the week has in store for you. So we're gonna use 2 decks. First one is these Gipsey cards. So I don't normally use them for divination purposes, but now it's different, I guess. We're gonna try. We'll see how it works. So the first card is going to represent the central theme of this week. And we're going to retrieve some advice from the tarot, which I'm using a new tarot deck that I recently purchased called the Crow Tarot. Okay, so what is the theme? And the theme is loyalty. So loyalty, or Hűség in Hungarian, or Treue in German, or Fidélité in French, I guess, or fidelity in English, or Viermost, that might be Dutch, and Fidelità, is that Portuguese or Italian maybe? If there are any language speakers in the audience, let me know. So loyalty, what does it mean? And what is the advice for you in terms of loyalty? Is loyalty a positive thing necessarily in all situations or not? It's the first thing that comes to my mind when I look at it. And here we have your advice, the 2 of Cups. So the message is really clear. This card is urging you to value and truly follow the intuitive need for interpersonal attachments, these deep emotion-driven attachments that spontaneously form between people, whether the context is right or not. So this is the interesting thing about matters of the heart, is that sometimes these kinds of attachments, these kinds of connections, they can grow in environments that would not necessarily be a good supportive environment for them, or even an appropriate environment for them. And so you have to be prepared that your heart is going to dictate a lot of your decisions in the process of this week. And the underlying value or the underlying principle is loyalty. So your heart-to-heart connection with another person is naturally creating the need to express loyalty, also, you will notice loyalty from other people in these contexts as well. The bottom line is there is no loyalty without a heart-to-heart connection. Loyalty based on authoritarian approaches or structures is feeble and unreliable and not exactly realistic either. So the true loyalty that is emerging between you and another person, whether this be something romantic or something based in friendship, or even a familial bond that is becoming stronger, this is a beautiful thing. And it can be irrational and it can be somewhat inappropriate, like I said, at times. But nevertheless, there's a true value to it. And cultivating and nurturing these emotions that are being born within you and that you might observe coming from another person, they're truly the pillars of the most basic unit of a society that works. Having these emotional bridges between us, it's the prerequisite for any kind of communal healing that we can do. So overall, it seems like a good week that is really trying to show you that you can trust other people and you can freely and bravely manifest loyalty towards another person, because it's a valuable thing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and or book a reading with me if you're interested in that. See you next time.